Found a note in my coat. It said, "Buy a pair's, call mom." Had a fry in my pocket, still warm from the lunch I thought was gone. A dog in a red raincoat stared me down by the bus stop sign. I laughed for no reason, and that felt like a sign. Little things keep spinning out of my hand, then they land right where I stand. Velcro shoes, Velcro shoes, stick to the floor, stick to the blues. Velcro shoes, Velcro shoes, what a strange little way to move. Stick, 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 what a strange little way. My keys were in the freezer, next to the peas and the apple pie. I made toast in the toaster and watched the whole room pass me by. A kid in the crosswalk waved like he knew me from before. I waved back harder than I wanted to wave some more. Little things keep turning up in my day, in a crooked way they make me stay. Velcro shoes, Velcro shoes, stick to the floor, stick to the blues. Velcro shoes, Velcro shoes, what a strange little way to move. Stick, 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 what a strange little way. Maybe life's a drawer full of buttons and receipts. One lost coin, one bruised peach, one rhythm in the street. And if I trip, I laugh. If I miss, I swing again. The weird little piece.